Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of aspect ratio changing in Nano Banana. Like you can see, I'm using Nano Banana in Google AI Studio and I upload a picture of this and told it to change the aspect ratio to 16:9, but it didn't change it. So to fix this problem, you can see I again upload the picture with a blank PNG, then I give it a specific prompt, and then now I can get a 16:9 ratio picture. Also, I tried this method in other example. Like you can see, I have uploaded a image of a 1:1 ratio, then I uploaded a blank image, then I give a specific prompt here, then it give me the 16:9 ratio image. And then I can also edit it further from this image. As you can see, change the background to Green Studio and I get this image. So how to create any aspect ratio with Nano Banana? So you just need to go to Google AI Studio, then go to Generate Media, choose Try Nano Banana, and then you just have to click on this Try Nano Banana. And after that, you have to go to this website, which is called Nano Banana Aspect Ratio Change in Hugging Face. I'll leave the link in the description box. And with this, you can create any aspect ratio from this. As you can see, 16:9, 9:60, 4:3, and lots of other multiple choice you can use to create any type of aspect ratio. So if I just choose 16:9 and click generate, it will start to generate a blank image of 16:9 ratio for me. And also it will give me the prompt to create that image with the 16:9 ratio. So I'm just going to download this like this, and it will be downloaded on your PC. And after that, just go to the Google AI Studio and upload your image that you want to edit. So I'm uploading this image. As you can see, this is not a 16:9 ratio. Then again, I'm going to upload the blank image that I made with Hugging Face. Then after that, you just need to provide the specific prompt, which you can also get it from this Hugging Face. Just copy it, go to Google AI Studio and paste it, then click run. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, the image that I uploaded is not a 16:9 ratio, and the image that I got is actually 16:9 ratio. So this is how you can change when you have to edit an image with another aspect ratio. Also, now you can further edit from here, just like I show you the samurai photo example. If you want to create an image with AI, you just have to upload this blank image and give the prompt here. So that's it guys, this is the video I want to share with you. Hope this will be a helpful video for you. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.